Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video of the Rams Life channel, guys. And first of all, I'm going to thank you all of you because you give a huge response and a very good response to my previous videos, and I'm really happy about that, guys. And so many of you guys are contacting me personally, sending me messages and also doing a comment on my videos and asking the questions and asking things regarding the Regina. Some of the people are wanting to come, willing to come in the Regina. There are some students, some PR guys, they are coming with their family. So they are asking me a lot of questions about Regina, and the main questions are, there are two main questions. I go through all the comments, all the messages, and there are the two main things that all the people are asking me. The first thing is that which place one should prefer to stay in the Regina, especially all the Indian peoples are asking me this question. And another thing is that the PR, the guys who are coming as a PR over here with the family, they are asking me always one question, that I am in this field, so is there any employment or any employment opportunity, or what kind of jobs are available related to my field in the Regina. So I'm going to focus on those questions, and I'm going to make a video on that topics, friends. But today in this video I'm going to cover main question, that is first question, that which place one should prefer to stay or live in the Regina. Students who are coming here from India, and the PR, the family who are coming here from the India. So which place they should prefer to stay in the Regina? So I am going to cover that question in this video. But let me tell you one thing is that a lot of you guys are very excited to know about what kind of employment opportunities are available in the Regina. I still remember one person asked me a question that I'm a hairstylist and I'm coming as a PR with my family over there. So is there any job opportunities for me related to my field? So yeah, there are so many questions I have like this. One is from the IT field, one is from the computer, one is from mechanical background. So they are asking me questions regarding this. So I have a good news for you guys. I went through like so many few of the job fairs and so many websites on the internet, and I tried to search more things specifically about the employment in the Regina, the Saskatchewan. So I have a lot of data now, and I have enough data to make some videos on that topic. So I'm going to make those videos in after this video. I will hopefully make a video on that topic, and that topic is not gonna cover in only a single video. So I'm going to make a series of videos on topic that will give you the information about the Saskatchewan employment market, and specifically I will focus on the Regina or the big city like Saskatoon. So yeah, hopefully you will get a lot of information from that topic. I'm not gonna give you the details like, yeah, there is a vacancy in that this company or that company, but I'm going to give you the details about what kind of companies are available over here, and how many companies are available related to this particular field, or if you are having this field, then what kind of jobs opportunities are available over here. So I'm going to give you that kind of information in my coming videos. So stay tuned with me, guys, and if you haven't subscribed to the Rams Life channel, then please do subscribe to that to my channel, so that you will get an update of all those videos that I'm going to upload in the future, guys. And don't forget to hit the bell icon also. So without any further ado, guys, let's start today's topic, that is which area or which places in the Regina that one should prefer, specifically Indian guys or Indian families, Indian students should prefer to stay in the Regina. So yeah, now there is one thing, the motto behind asking this question is that I have heard from the few people, they are telling me that they are asking me that the crime rate in the Regina, specifically Saskatchewan province, the crime rate is high, because if you search on the Google that the top 10 crime cities or top 20 crime cities in the Canada, then you will definitely gonna find out the province name Saskatchewan. So yeah, so many people are asking me this question, that where we should prefer to stay in the Regina, because it's in the Saskatchewan and the crime rate is high in the Saskatchewan. So yeah guys, I will clear all the things regarding the crime rate in the Saskatchewan, particularly Regina, in my coming videos. I will make a separate video on that topic, but in this video I'm not gonna cover that topic. I will definitely make a video on that topic. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that if you are asking me that question, that which area I should prefer to stay in the Regina, I will say that you can stay anywhere, east, north or south, but specifically lot of Indian or majority of the Indian people, Indian students, their families are staying in the southern portion of the Regina. Definitely in all the sides of the Regina you will gonna find out all the facilities like stores, restaurants, schools, Walmart and theaters and everything. But specifically Indians prefer to stay in the southern portion of the Regina. But it doesn't mean that you will not find any Indian living in the east or north portion of the Regina. But specifically you will find more Indian people staying in the southern portion of the Regina. So I will recommend that if you are coming from India, you are asking me this question, then I will recommend that you should search for the apartment or house for rent in the south side. And there are two main area in the south. At that areas you should look for the apartment or house. The main two areas are, the first is Golden Mile and the second is Harbour Landing. So first I will talk about students. The students who are coming here, they should prefer Golden Mile area or area near the University of Regina, because over here in the Golden Mile you will find more students are living, because apartments are more here and the students are sharing the apartments. They are living together in a group of 4 or 6 peoples. And compared to this, if we talk about the Harbour Landing, there are also apartments available over there, but houses are available more. So families, if the Indian families are coming here, then you will find more Indian families are staying in the Harbour Landing area. So yeah, Golden Mile and Harbour Landing, these two are the main areas you should look to rent the house or apartment. Yes, and all the facilities like restaurants, Indian food restaurants are available, and Bombay Spice is one grocery store from where you can buy the Indian stuffs, that is also available in the south side. Theaters, schools and everything is available over here. Superstores is very near to the Golden Mile area. Also the Walmart is there at the Harbour Landing area. So it's really good. The Southland Mall is over there. I already make a video on that topic. And Regina Public Library is situated in the Southland Mall. So you will get all the facilities over here in the south portion of the Regina. So you should look for the houses or apartment to rent at the Golden Mile and the Harbour Landing area. Now, students should prefer Golden Mile and area near the university, because majority of students are living here, and you will get a 4 number and 18 number bus directly from here to the university. And from the Harbour Landing you will get 18 number bus directly to the university. So yeah, this is the thing. And how to rent this apartment or houses, that also so many people are asking me. So I have few links. That is the Main Street apartment. Most of the Main Street apartment you will found at the Golden Mile area. So you should even you are in the India, you can email them or you can chat them directly from their websites, and you can look for the houses. So you can book from there also. So I will provide all the links in the description box below. So Main Street apartments are available over here in the Golden Mile area. And then Boardwalk is another office you should contact to rent the apartments. Majority of the Boardwalk apartments are situated near the University of Regina. So if you are a student, then you should follow both of these links. And yeah, for Harbour Landing, the houses are available for rent over there. Now let me tell you something about those houses. That the houses have the main floor and the first floor. So both the floors have the separate entrance, so that you can rent any of that floor of the house. So yeah, it is also good to stay over there. Most of the families will prefer to stay in those houses. So you should look on the Google about the Harbor Landing area, and you can always contact and book any apartment or house from the KGG website, which is very famous over here. You all know about that, right? So you can go through the KGG websites, and I will provide all the links in the description box below, so you must check the description box of this video, guys. And yeah, it is really good to stay with the Indian community. If you choose to stay over here in this portion, then it is really good actually. You will find out your neighbors are from the India, and majority of the Gujarati and Punjabi families and students are staying over here. If you are walking also, you will find out some girls are wearing the dresses of India, and that is really cool, right? And it is good to live over here and talk with our community, staying with our community people. So I will recommend you guys stay with in these areas. So this is the answer to the question that a lot of people are asking me about the place one should prefer to stay in the Rajaina. So this is my opinion, and all of the Indians are staying over here, so you should look for these guys. And I hope this information will help you a lot to find the apartment and houses. So I think that's it for today in this video, guys. And as I mentioned earlier, that a lot of other informative videos are coming soon on this channel, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Rams Life channel. Take care, guys, and bye bye.